I am supposed to be a teacher, and you're gonna ask me if I have a big dick. I really had high expectations for some of these Japanese students, right? And I think that might be my own racial bias. A lot of them were very forward, to pull it mildly. Like, they'd be like, Anthony Sensei, big dick, big penis, big penis. I remember when somebody said it to me. It was this little boy. Like, I was kind of shook. I'm not gonna. I was just like, what the fuck? And you know what's so crazy? They were not good in English, but they knew how to express themselves saying this shit, right? They could ask, be like, oh, do you have sex? Or do you have big penis? It's like, where where the fuck gonna learn this shit? You know what I mean? And then a lot of times, like, they'll try to touch. Yeah, they would try to touch. At first, I thought that this was very unique to me, but then I remember when I was speaking to other foreign teachers, and they had similar experiences too. But I will say, outside of that, they were very sweet to me. I will say, sexual harassment aside.